everyone, I am Andrea. Today I'm going to introduce the Makey's latest launch of SLR camera battery pack. This is the MK-A6300 and it is adapted to the Sony Alpha 6300 camera. And besides, we have a viewfinder which is VK-VF1. So this two makes a great combination when you are taking a shoot. Now let's open up this pack and see what's inside of it. Okay, so now we see a handle, and then here a remote wire, and then this is a connecting wire, and this is a fake battery. You must be curious why there is a fake battery, but I will show you how to use it later. So we have this camera. And now we remember, we need to take our real battery out and then put in the fake battery, and then remember to lock. Okay. Okay, now it's very steady. So we have a connecting wire to put it on like this. And then this. There are two batteries. You can put two batteries in one handle, so you have double time shooting. And then so now I am ready to go outside and then try if it is great. Okay? Hi, me again. I'm gonna try it here outdoor so you can find out how well does it work in a real life situation and how many times it saves you from awkward situation. And what's that gonna be? So the first one is definitely gonna be battery die. But with this handle, it has two batteries inside and double time, so you won't be worried about that. The second one is that when you take picture, you know, under the sun or under the very strong light, it's gonna be, hey, let me take a picture of you. What? I can't even see the screen. So what am I gonna do? I have this one. Let me show you how to use it, okay? So when you look at the bottom of this handle, you can see a hole in here. So you can just easily put on like this. And then you have a coin, right? Use your coin and then swing. Okay, and then you can hold it very steady. So when we have this viewfinder VK-VF1, we can take photo easily. Horizontal and vertical shoots both can be completed and be switched randomly. And it will make your shoot more stable and you can grasp the best shooting time point. So when you use a tripod, this is definitely not that easy, okay? So we can just easily open up like this and then take a picture. Besides, there is another handle of remote control version MK-A6300 Pro. On the basis of ordinary version, this handle is added with 2.4G wireless remote control and receiving function. So you can make creative shooting easily. Okay, that's all I'm gonna tell today. See you next time.